Hello guys, my name is Fetuga Mojeed Olalekan and welcome to this video tutorial. And in this video, briefly, let me just tell you what I'm going to show you, teach you step by step how you get it done. And it's about creating a customized social media links. The whole matter started that a client just gave me this question: can I have something like this? Oleodeganiu.com/Facebook should go directly to his Facebook account or Facebook page. The YouTube should go directly to the YouTube. I said, okay, I can work on it. I'm sure it can be done. So I now I've actually done that, finished the job, but it's something I would like to share with you how I did that. The first thing is that let me explain to you the importance of branding your URL, that is your link, your domain address. If you brand it, every social media links, every social media account is still referring back to the main source. Okay, what am I saying here? I'm saying if I click Facebook, it's going to take me to the Facebook page. If I click YouTube here, it's going to take me to the YouTube account, not just the YouTube page. It's going to redirect straight to the YouTube account. Okay, if I click Instagram, it's going to the Instagram account. Click Twitter, it's going to Twitter account. And the reason is this: you can see this is now this goes directly to the YouTube account. Okay, I'm going to show you how you can redirect all these links. And one of the beauty is this: it is still referring back to Oleodeganiu. So it is a very powerful brand awareness concept because it redirects you, the main site, it redirects you to the account, the social media account that you really want to work on, and it makes it official. Okay, and the URL can be like long and all these things, but your domain and that bit extension would make it official. Now there are ways to get this done. There are tools to get this done. The first one is that you can actually go to your control panel, you create subdomains, okay, and you then redirect. That is one thing. But most of the people will always like, I don't want to do that. I'm going to show you step by step tutorial on how to create all these on your subdomain account, that is your control panel, and redirect. But today in this video, I'm not using this in this video. I'm only going to use the page link tool. It's a very powerful, simple plugin. I'm going to show you how I get it done. I'm not creating any subdomain. Yes, I'm only creating additional pages and I'm directing them down to the user end. So for this tutorial, I'm not going to use the client's data account. I'm going to use my own website. This is my own. This is Is Mojeed Fetuga. This a website that I've created. I've added blog, AdSense, and what have you. I just bombard everything here. So the first thing is that you go to your WordPress and you go to the back end of your WordPress, which is your WordPress. At the back end is admin. So you go to your dashboard. On getting to your dashboard, what we want to do is we want to use a plugin. We are using a plugin. That is what we want to use. We want to use a plugin, and the plugin is page link tool. I'm going to show you everything step by step. I'm getting the plugin, I'm linking the plugin, I'm doing everything without hiding any aspects. So we are using this plugin, this tool. That is what we are using. And on my website, my control panel, I'm coming to my dashboard. I'm coming to my dashboard and I'm going, just go to this end, you see plugin, come to add new. So I'm clicking on add new, and this plugin, search plugin, it's free. You just page link to, that is what you are going to type here. let me see, this is the name of the plugin we are using, page link to. Okay, page links to. Okay, let me update it. Page links to. Beautiful. So this is a plugin you are using. Just install it by clicking install, and once it is installed, you activate it. The plugin is compatible with this app, WordPress, and is just updated 4 weeks ago. Okay, once you click install and it is, you click activate. So once that is done, the next thing is that let us see what we want to do. Let me open my main website. Over on this account, and I right click, and it actually brought my main website. So these are my social media channels. You see, these are my Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. These are the links on my YouTube channel. So I have already created these links available. They are already available, but I want to customize them. That is just what I want to do in order to make it customized. So what I do is I go to pages and I add new, or I can just say add page link. You understand? But the step by step is I add new. So this page now, I want it to be my Facebook page. Okay, this is my Facebook page, and I have titled it with Facebook. I did not put anything in the contents because I'm going to redirect, and what I have here is page links to. This feature is what I want to look at. So I now click a custom URL. So what I'm doing now is mojeedfetuga.com/Facebook. I want to redirect this account, this page, to a normal web Facebook account. So I just come to my Facebook and I pick this, my Facebook. I copy the link. This small, I have already designed this website, so to have this. Otherwise, you have to go to your Facebook. And you now have to pick the page. You have to go to your Facebook and pick the page. But then I have already used the URL. I've already attached all my links, because that is what I do. I deliver web-based marketing solution, whereby you build your website, you put your social media link, you generate your email, and you run your campaign, and that's what I do. So I've already attached. So I just want to, I will right click on the link and I'll copy link address anywhere the link is. So I will now come to this place. I will just paste the link. You can see. So anybody who clicks, if I publish this page now, I click publish. So anybody that clicks Mojeed Fetuga/Facebook automatically is going to redirect this page. This page is active. This page is live now, published. So it's going to redirect this page to this link, this social media Facebook link. So this is the one I can share with people officially. If you want to follow me on Facebook, go to Mojeed Fetuga/Facebook. If you want to follow me on LinkedIn, go to Mojeed Fetuga/LinkedIn. If you want to follow me on Twitter, go to Mojeed Fetuga/Twitter. Then you would have opportunity of going directly, redirecting you back to this main page. So this is the link. Let me copy this link and paste. This is the link, Mojeed Fetuga/Facebook. So if I'm writing a blog post now and I want people to follow me on Facebook, I'll just say Mojeed Fetuga/Facebook. Want to follow me on LinkedIn, Mojeed Fetuga/LinkedIn. Let me enter. Let me enter and see where it's going to redirect me to. Really, yes, it actually redirected me to my Facebook page, and that is just that. And that is how we start creating pages. Then add new. We've created Facebook page immediately. We've created Facebook, customized Facebook URL. So the next one is I want to create, let me pick one, Twitter. This is my Twitter. Okay, even my Twitter, I actually created my Twitter in the, if you look at the link, let me copy the link. This is my normal Twitter link. This is Twitter/Fetuga Mojeed Fetuga. So it's the same. I can now bring it up by just creating a new page and titling it. I'll just title it Twitter. Okay. Then, like I said, you come to your page links to your customized page link to, and you just enter your where you really want them to go. So on doing that, you come down to this place and you publish. So it means that I'm redirecting people. If I should share this link now, people who click on this link would automatically be taken to my Twitter page. Now this link, this is the second link, this is my Twitter, this is a Facebook, this is a Twitter. Let me highlight this, and this is my account, mojeedfetuga.com/Twitter. Then this takes you to the Twitter account. It will redirect you back to the Twitter account, and that is that. Okay, and you can literally do that for all the links. Your Instagram, let us do that for Instagram. I think I will stop on Instagram because I don't want it to be too long. The message has been passed. This tool is very, very useful, and you don't need any complication. There is nothing complicating in it. So the next one, let me say the last one is Instagram. Let me choose this Instagram. I will create for others because I want to customize every other thing. I'll create for others, but the same procedure, nothing hidden, nothing too big. So just type Instagram. Okay, and immediately you do that, come down. I did not have anything. Come to your customized URL and enter Instagram. Is 0% 20. There is no 0% 20. Please note your, yes, there is no 0% 20 on my Instagram account. Let me see. 0% 20 is not available. Wow, this is a mistake. There is no 0% 20 on my Instagram account. My Instagram is Fetuga Mojeed. That is just it. Sorry, Mojeed Fetuga Mojeed Fetuga. Okay, Mojeed Fetuga. Oh, I have even made a mistake on my own. This is not official. I've made a mistake on my own. Thank God I'm even seeing it. Good. So my Instagram URL is, the one I use here is wrong. The one here is wrong. This is Fetuga Mojeed, and the main Instagram is Mojeed Fetuga. That is very good. I will just copy the main Instagram account because I know there is no 20 there. I know there is no 20 there. And I'm going to change this. I'm going to change this at the back end. I will change this link immediately. So this is my normal Instagram, official Instagram account, and I'm going to publish. Oh, thank God, I'm even seeing it. And that is why we debug, we test all the links, and there's so much for us to do, and that is not a simple and easy job. But either ways, I think we've gotten the idea. Copy the link address, come to this place. Definitely you can give anybody this link as address. You can say follow me, Mojeed Fetuga/Instagram. It's going to take them to Instagram account. Then Mojeed Fetuga/Twitter. This will take you to Facebook, and that's how you can actually create a customized address. So at the end of this tutorial, we've been able to create a paid link to. We've been able to create a customized social media link. Like my own case is https://mojeedfetuga.com. Then I have /Facebook. Okay, that takes us to my Facebook page. Let me copy this and /Twitter. Oh, too much. Twitter. That take us to the Twitter page, and this takes us to the Instagram page. So you can see it's so straightforward and so like, oh, is it that Facebook actually pay? Or some people will always want to ask, how come everything links to those pages? It is just a page redirect links, and this is how you can actually build your social media link. You customize them, facially it's going to look beautiful. It's going to look, especially when your domain name is very, very attractive, probably the business name that is attractive. This is my personal name and I'm still using it for my business, at least for now. That's why I use official. So but if your business name is like, okay, like smart trend, let me say trend, smart trends, okay, .com, okay, for instance, smarttrends.com, then you now say /Facebook. It's going to take you to the Facebook. Is a customized way, and it actually improves the smart trends. It improves the main domain. It is, and that is just it. Thank you. If you are just new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, because of course what I do is stream, teach, show how things, how tools, and how you can actually improve your business, your brand, your customers, and as far as web-based digital marketing, web-based marketing solution is concerned. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and of course turn on the notification. I upload videos, tutorials, and if you have any question, feel free. Like this one, like show you, somebody just asked me, and no big deal, I have done the job for the person. And do you know that it actually does not cost much, because I am already using this same experience to share with you watching. So you are free to chat me up, let me see if I can help you out, let me see if I can add some values to your business. And I have some tutorials available, you can go through them. We also have a special training course that you can go through, and it is simple, it's easy, how you can start your web-based marketing step by step from the scratch to finish, and you generate your clients, your customers over this solution. You are leveraging this solution. The link is already in the description. If you are interested, you must be interested, because you really want to learn more and really want to add more value to your business and your ideas. So thank you, and God bless.